everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. We have had plenty of videos on the 22 and the controversy. Is it bonded leather? Is it not? Is it real leather? Is it 30% leather? Is it leather at all? Is it pleather? Do the pearls, we know they're not real pearls. Should I just buy a strand of pearls on Amazon and add them to my bag and on and on and on, which by the way is not such a bad idea, just to add some interest to these bags. I just wanted to show you, regardless of what you think of the 22 leather bag, what the 22 denim bag looks like. So this is a size small. There is a medium. There's actually quite a few mediums last time I checked at the store. So I wanted to show you what this one looks like. It does have silver hardware. Here's the little charm that hangs on the back. I'm a sucker for denim bags, so that is why I picked this one up. And you can see this is also in a faded denim with the silver Chanel on the front. And just like the other 22s, except the mini, for whatever reason, I don't know, button on the side and a magnet closure in the middle to keep our goodies in. I love the 80s vibe of the denim that's been out this season for 22P and also 22S, and this one is no exception. I'll just show you how it looks. I'm 5'4" for reference. You can pull it down and get a little bit more of a slouchy look. I love these bags for travel. I know it looks really big, probably from that angle or that position, but when it's on and I'm looking in a mirror in front of me, it does not look nearly as big as it looks in real life. Some of that is the nature of the light color here compared to the darker. On the back, you do not have quite as drastic of a wash. Maybe it's just more obvious because of the Chanel logo on the front. And here is the bottom. So I wanted to show you inside. This is what it looks like. So towards the bottom of the bag is a quilting. You can see in here. It does have the little pouch that does, last time I checked it came loose. It does come loose here. And of course back, so you can take this out and use it separately or use it in your bag. And then the very bottom of the bag, I'll show you, is just a washed blue color. So if you love the 22 and you're looking for a just very street vibe bag and you don't like the controversy surrounding the 22 leather, this may be an option for some of you. If I have it the right direction. This may be an option for some of you. So personally, I love it. I love anything denim, almost anything denim if it has stretch. And I thought I would share with you what the color looks like. So I'll get in a little closer so you can see. And I will also, again, share with you what the strap looks like in case you are interested in picking this one up. I hope you found this short video helpful. If you're looking for this bag, have a wonderful day.